hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Deepa. So, I wanted to show some of the products that I got from NYKAA LUXE. I have many products, yeah. So, I'm gonna do it in sections. So, I bought a lot of K-beauty stuff. So, I thought, I'm gonna show that, yeah, in sections. Right, so I'm gonna show in the next video all of the K-beauty stuff that I bought and what all I've been using for my skin for my flawless makeup. So I'm gonna show all that. So I have here two boxes with me. So I'm gonna show you some of the products that I really, this black box gives you that vibe, right? So I wanted to share with you guys what all I got. So I got a Tom Ford ombre, yeah, a ombre leather sample, a 10 ml sample. Oh my god, yeah, my friends have been telling they just love this, yeah. So I got this, and I'm also gonna show you some of the products that I got in this. Oh my god. So yeah, so you have the 100% authentic and genuine thing, yeah. So I have some of the Huda Beauty products. So I also have a Dior foundation which I wanted to show you guys. So let's open up and see. Yeah, I'm excited. So I wanted to try KLE from a lot of time. Yeah, let's see. Yes. So the first one that I have is a KLE Love Fest Burning Cherry in 48, and oh my god, I've been seeing so much of talk about this KLE by Mona Kutan, yeah, Huda Beauty's Huda Kutan's sister. So right, so let's open this and see how is this. So oh my god, this packaging is so good, and I wanted to try this from so long time. So yeah, so I'm just gonna open this till here. So let's check like how is it. Oh my god, I just love, I heard, so I was confused on which two shades that on which two fragrances I wanted to try, because this is my first time trying, KLE. So the first one that I got, oh my god, it's so cute, is this KLE Love Fest Burning Cherry. I just love the packaging. Let's smell how is this, yeah. It's like your black opium. So it's like your black opium by YSL, exact smell. It smells exactly like that. And the notes are, you have burning cherry, raspberry, praline, palo santo, gualic wood, and patchouli. So yeah, so I love anything that has wood, because I really love a little bit of, I like my perfumes very strong, or something that has a lot of, it's seductive because of my scorpion traits. So the next one that I got is KLE Utopia Vanilla Cocoa. It's a 10 ml perfume, right? So let's check. So this is very good for traveling, yeah, right? Oh my god, just look at this, yeah. So you have Utopia Vanilla. I love the packaging, yeah. So it's very good to travel with this. It has very good vanilla essence. Yeah, so many of them are recommending to buy this. Yeah, the vanilla one. And I really love vanilla wood in my fragrances. So you also have a little bit of notes of jasmine. Yeah, so you can sense that. Yes, so this is another one. Yes. So yes, so I'm going to check the other one. So another one that I have is a Huda Beauty Fox Filter Luminous Matte Full Coverage Liquid Foundation, and this is the 35 ml. So I wanted to get this from so long, yeah. So I'm in the shade Creme Brulee. So I'm just gonna open this. So yeah, so I'm just gonna open this. Oh my god, I wanted to try this from so long time, and this is my first time trying this. So oh my god, I just heard so much about this, and I have to see how it works on Indian skin and on Indian skin, on my dry skin. So my skin is very good during summers, yeah, and very bad during the winters, but I could survive because of all the skincare that I've been taking care, of all the skincare that I'm taking care, yeah. So I've been able to survive. Yes, so the next one that I have is a Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. It also has a SPF 15, and it is 30 ml, right? So let's see. So yeah, so I wanted to try this. So I have gotten a little fairer. So yeah, so my foundations now have a little bit of the fair, a little bit of they have gotten lighter. So yeah, so so I'm mixing a little of the yellow plus this, so a lighter one. So I'm in the shade NO032. N032. And the next one that I have, it's something about this, the NYKAA LUXE, to open. Yeah. Another one that I have is a Dior Forever Skin Glow. It's a 30 ml foundation. Oh my god. I've been wanting to try this forever. Yeah, like, forever. The Forever Skin Glow, and I am in the shade 3WO. Yeah. Wow, love it. So all the three perfumes. So all the three shades, stay tuned because I'm gonna swatch them, try out them, and show you guys of how they work. Yes, stay tuned. I'm gonna test out all of that. So I'm opening another box. Yeah, so I have another NYKAA, Huda Beauty. I wanted to get the Naughty palette from so long, and I'm very happy I got my hands on this. So I'm gonna show you guys. Yes. So I have the Tom Ford Black Orchid. I wanted to get the 10 ml perfumes very desperately. So I'm gonna open this. Yeah. Right, let's see. So yeah, I really love the golden packaging. I wanted to, try. I actually was looking for a 10 ml in this. In this also, how much ml is this? Is it 5 ml or something? Yeah. Oh, it's a 1.5 ml. What am I talking? Yeah. So it's a 1.5 ml, and I wanted to get my hands on this. So this is the Tom Ford Black Orchid. Let's smell. How is it? It's very nice, huh? It is very nice. So yeah, so it's very good. I really loved it. The smell is, so yeah, so it contains very strong, when you have, when your perfumes have that cooling thing, it has that for sure. So I'm gonna do a shot on this when I, explain the notes better. So stay tuned. So this is me just unboxing all of the stuff that I got. So I'm gonna show all of my lipsticks and K-beauty stuff and other perfumes that I got. So stay tuned. So I am opening my Naughty palette. I've been wanting to get my hands on this because I really love warm tones on my eyelids. Yeah, I just love them. Yes. So let's see. Right. So Naughty palette. Yeah. I've been wanting my hands on this from very long time. So you have the mirror. Oh my god, I just love those shades. I am such a shimmer person. Like, I need my shimmers. Yeah. So I'm excited to, excited to try this shade. Like, what is it? Yeah. Right? Don't wanna get this dirty. Even the mirror is very super, like it's supremely good. Like, it's big. Yeah. I need to try my hands on this. And oh my god, the shimmers are too good. Yeah. And I really love a warm tones palette. Just love it. Yeah. Wow, love it. Yeah. So I'm excited to use this palette in my upcoming video. So stay tuned. Yeah. Oh my god, just love this brown. Yeah, it looked very good on my eyes. And all of the shades, I'm just supremely excited because this is the color range or the color palette that I, resonate to. So yeah, so stay tuned. Thank you so much if you, stick with me to the end. I want my videos shorter, and I'm also, doing a lot of shots. I am upgrading this channel. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye.